Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce legal compliance costs with ComplyAdvantage step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current legal compliance costs. Identify the key areas where expenses are incurred. Conduct a thorough review of compliance processes and workflows. Look for inefficiencies that may be driving up costs. Next, familiarize yourself with ComplyAdvantage services and features. Explore their AI-driven risk assessment tools. Understand how these tools can streamline your compliance processes. Consider integrating ComplyAdvantage into your existing systems. Evaluate the onboarding process and resources provided by the platform. Set clear compliance objectives to align with your organizational goals. Use ComplyAdvantage's data to perform targeted risk assessments. Automate routine compliance tasks wherever feasible. Regularly monitor your compliance activities using the platform's analytics. Train your team on how to effectively use ComplyAdvantage's tools. Encourage feedback from your team on any challenges faced. Continuously assess the impact of ComplyAdvantage on your compliance costs. Adjust processes as needed based on insights gained from the platform. Document the improvements and cost savings achieved. Review the compliance landscape regularly to stay updated on regulations. Rely on ComplyAdvantage's updates to keep your compliance strategies relevant. Take these steps systematically to see a tangible reduction in your legal compliance costs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.